This is the demonstration video of a NuTone IM5006 Master Station. It's not an IMA, it's an IM. Serial number 10903586. This Master Station has been completely re-whitened. The faceplate is back to its nearly original bright white color. Each individual function button, the buttons are very slightly less white than the faceplate itself, but they're very acceptable. There is only one small scratch on the unit, and that's across the intercom volume and radio volume down buttons. You really have to look close to find the little scratch. The rest of the faceplate is clean. There are no scratches or gouges in it. This unit has been completely rebuilt. The radio functions as it should. We have AM.
Class that introduces ways to navigate the market. Goals, which could be retirement, college.
No. Well, we'll keep calling the police. These
AMBR.
We have FM.
Vehicles. Don't miss the 4th of July.
The auxiliary inputs work. I have it connected to my phone for an auxiliary music source, and we'll play some sort of generic music. That's the phono input. That's the tape input. Music off. The cassette player functions correctly. We have play, reverse direction, stop, fast forward, stop, rewind, stop, change directions, play, pause, and stop. Tape ejects. The chime module input works correctly. I have it hooked up to our shop chime module. Chime modules are not included with the set. Single ring comes out through the master and through the remote stations. The intercom setup is simple. There's a door speaker at the end of the workbench there, and I have it connected to two inside 5-inch remote stations. The all call, any squealing you hear is feedback because the speakers are all so close to each other. So we have all call. That works correctly. We have door talk. That works correctly. We have selective call. The speaker numbers in this setup are 7 and 18. So we have 0, 7. And 18. It's not practical to show you all 24, but they will all work. This shows the basic selective call functions do work on the system. Monitor works. Very loud. Privacy works. Prevents calls from coming into the master, just like it's supposed to. From the remote stations, you can call up the master, which is always 0, 1. And call door talk. That works. All call. System works as it's supposed to. This is a good, clean example. May very well be one of the very best IM5006s that you'll ever find. That's all for today. There'll be a banner right here. It shows you how to subscribe. Please go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell or on the wheel, put in your email address, and every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. It's a really good way to keep up on new models that we're introducing for sale in this video playlist. You'll be the first ones to find out when new things are available. That's all. See you on the next video.